Hello creatives, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be showing you how to balance the light, color grading and how to smoothen the skin on Mobile Lightroom. First we have to import the image. After importing, click on the image. Now click on the light icon at the bottom right. Click on the curve. Beam up the midpoint to get some focus light on the model right here. Now back to the light panel. Increase the contrast to around 8. Reduce the highlight just a little. For a neater details on this white shirt, reduce the white. I think this is okay for this image. To get more light on the body of the model, increase the shadows. And the blacks also at around positive 13. Now scroll the bottom panels to the right. Click on the color icon. Now click on color mix. Take note the color orange works with the skin tone. Increase the saturation for more intensity on this skin. Now to the color green. Increase the hue to give green a bluish blend. Now pump up the saturation. To make the image pop up, let's increase the vibrance and the saturation also. Now to make the background darker, we are going to click on Effects, scroll down to Vignette, bring it down to get a dark and moody background. Now to smoothen the skin, click on Details. Move down to noise reduction. Increase the noise reduction to get the skin smooth. Increase the contrast to make it realistic. Bring up the color noise reduction to decrease the noise in the colors. Now let's look at the before and after. The overall before and after. The skin before and after. The before and after color of the flower. click the share icon at the top and click on save to device. Lightroom will export the image for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and drop a comment below.